Mi país es Bolivia. Bolivia está en el centro de América del Sur, entre de Chile y Brasil, con Perú al norte y Argentina y Paraguay al sur. El capital constitucional es Sucre y el capital administrativa es La Paz, pero Sucre es el capital oficial. La Paz se encuentra al suroeste de las yungas semitropicales. Sucre se encuentra valles templados de Bolivia del Sur. Sucre, the capital of Bolivia, is the sixth most populated city in the country. It was founded in 1538 by Spanish conquistador Pedro de Anzures. When it was founded, it was the regional capital of Peru, Chile, Argentina, and Paraguay, along with Bolivia. Sucre is especially known for its beautiful, well-preserved architecture and cathedrals, among these being the Universidad San Francisco Xavier de Chuquisaca, Convento de San Felipe Neri, and Basilica de San Francisco de Charcas. Running through the middle of Bolivia are the Cordillera Occidental Mountains, a range of dormant volcanoes and volcanic vents that emit sulfurous gases. On Bolivia's western border runs the Cordillera Oriental Mountains. There are three main geographical regions of Bolivia: the mountains in the Altiplano, the semi-tropical yungas and temperate valleys, and the llanos, the tropical lowlands and plains. In between the Cordillera mountain ranges is the Altiplano, a high plateau that runs all the way from northern Bolivia to southern. This is where most of the country's transportation takes place because it is so flat. At the northern end, it houses the largest lake in South America, Lake Titicaca. Larger than the island of Puerto Rico, this lake is so large that it moderates the temperature of the land around it, causing the temperature to be more mild than other areas in the Altiplano. The semi-tropical yungas and temperate valleys are located on the eastern mountain slopes. This name came from the Aymara word yungas, meaning warm valleys. These valleys are very hard to access, however, and even though they have fertile ground, there is little farming done. Here also lies some of Bolivia's most beautiful scenery: waterfalls, lush greenery, and colorful plants. Two of the country's largest cities are also located in the valley basins, Sucre and Cochabamba, and the Llanos. This is an extension of the Chaco of Paraguay. The northern area has very poor drainage. Here, there is no rainfall for 9 months of the year, but the other 3 months sees non-stop heavy rain, turning the land into a swamp. The largest city of Bolivia lies here in the Llanos, Santa Cruz, home to 1.7 million people. In the northern lowlands lies one of the most important rivers in Bolivia, the Alto Beni. This is the river that provides water for most of the country's cropland. The country also has 3 other rivers that are important in draining the land after heavy rains. These are the Beni, Mamore, and Madre de Dios rivers. In Bolivia, there are 36 recognized people groups, 20% of which recognize themselves as indigenous. Of these indigenous peoples, 30% are Quechua, 25% are Aymara, 2.2% are Chiquitano, 1.5% are Guarani, and 0.85% are Maheno. And these are just a few of the many indigenous people groups. There are 2 festivals that are very important to Bolivians. The first is the Fiesta de San Juan. This festival celebrates the coldest, shortest night of the year. On June 23rd, Bolivians celebrate the Fiesta de San Juan with massive bonfires and firewalking. Unfortunately, no bonfires are allowed today, for after this festival, cities were cloaked in smoke for 2 days afterwards. The other is the Carnaval de Oruro. The carnival is located in the sleepy mining town of Oruro on the Saturday before Ash Wednesday. For one night, Oruro becomes Bolivia's most sought-after tourist attraction, drawing up to 400,000 people. The carnival not only tells the story of how the Spaniards conquered the Aymara and Quechua peoples, but also shows the battle of good versus evil, along with Oruro's rich cultural identity.